Alright guys, this is a game called Bird Story, as you can probably obviously tell. This is a more story-based game than probably most of the others I'm going to play. So if any of you really don't kind of like that sort of stuff, this probably isn't a video for you guys, or a series for that matter. Alright, so I've played a little bit of this, not too far into the story, barely anywhere in, so I guess it doesn't make that much of a difference now, does it? So, I understand the basic controls in that, but it's just gonna be a game where we sit back and relax. Just play it through, you know what I mean? Yeah. Like I said, guys, I'm not too far into this, so I don't understand a lot of this yet. So, well, you just bear that in mind as we play through. That's cute. Interesting intro, I must admit. This music is just beautiful. Must be this room. It's also, this game doesn't have dialogue, so this is going to be rather quieter let's play, essentially, except from me speaking. So I must commend the makers for this music. It's beautiful. Why is the clock going backwards? Why is everything turning off? Why are the birds flying backwards and why am I following a shadow? That's a paper airplane. What? Why is there a bird on my head? This, to me, does not make the most sense yet. Everything's going out and I'm walking backwards. It's a bunch of shadows and music's gone all weird. So, yeah. No answer for any of that. Alright, so this is obviously a memory, right? Backstory. We got some fully on paper airplane. Stop daydreaming, kid, you're gonna get caught. Slowest flying airplane ever. And apparently Square just having a 1764 is a surprisingly well-drawn cat. It wasn't me, Mrs. Teacher Lady. You little rat. Come on. Really? You just throw me out? I didn't do anything. Okay then. What am I supposed to do? That's a lot of shadows. I guess it wouldn't hurt to walk away now, eh? Right? She's not gonna stop me, right? What's the worst she can do? Like, be right on the chalkboard? What is happening? Why are we outside? We were just inside. Oh, he's alone. That's sad. Oh, poor kid. What you play with him? That's sad. What? Oh, what? Okay. Apparently now I'm on a cobblestone path, I guess. Following more shadows. Interesting, design, I have to admit, with the pixel indie. Yeah, this is an actual indie game, surprisingly. I believe. This is, made by a group called Freebird Games. They have... Yeah, I'm not gonna promote. Anything I can do? It's not. Can't talk to anyone. Duh. There's no narrative. Sorta. Little sidestep to the left. No. Yeah, to the left. I mean, he's... creepy. Very creepy and ominous. What are those? Okay, those are rats. I think there's a problem with the power. I would call the hotel manager about that, if I were you. Aww. No one's home. Aww. What's with all the lights flickering? Can't even read that. Oh. Sure that was from like his mother, right? Makes sense. Nice little bathroom. Tub, sink, light. What else could you need? Yeah. Can't do anything. Can I get anything to eat? Drink? What's this? What's that? No idea. What's in here? The lights, I guess. Planned. microscope. Also, I can barely see over any of these counters. Nothing in the wardrobe. So, not lights. What are you doing? Oh, that's cute. Oh, he's on the bed. That's not on the bed. That's cute. Oh, that was nice. Guessing another note from Mom, I'm gonna say. Yeah, that seemed more like a mother. Father. Oh, do that. Food! You getting ramen? Potatoes? Potato stew or something? Oh, that sounds good. Yep. You're a nice boy. Guess you have to go read. What were you watching? Just sitting as the clock ticks by. No, don't rip pages out of school books. That's bad. You have to return those. Aw, you okay there, bud? Your nose is a little knackered up there, huh? Yeah, it's almost midnight, dude. Yeah, it's 11 o'clock. Of course you're gonna be tired. Come on. He's gonna fall asleep at his desk. How are you still writing? Your eyes are closed. Who's out of here? Oh, it's adorable. Good aim. Good throw. Ugh. You're about 7? God, you're lucky. Is that another note from Mom? Still tired? Still tired, huh? You hungry at all, or? Okay. Babe. Yeah, you probably need that. Alright. Huh. You probably need that. Oh, yeah. Aw. Do you like planes? Do you like planes? Alright. Is this time for us to... What do we got here? Do. Good job. The bread muffin. Do. Pretty sure it's supposed... What? Is that how physics? Did you not see the red light? Actually, I didn't see the red light. More like it. I don't like you. Just a little smug look over this. I don't like you. What's today? The square root of 2,101,000? Let me guess, that equals cow or something? Let me guess, that equals cow? Tired much? That's scary. Nice kick. Huh. Yeah. What happens if I go left? Anything? Guess not. Yeah, I'm tapping enter, which is the action key, and nothing came up. Or I just missed something. But who knows? Who knows? It's raining. It's pouring. Oh, that's adorable. Aww. Oh, it's so cute. Aww. They're out in the rain. Oh, that's awesome. So he likes the rain, he likes planes. Good kid. Too bad his mother isn't home much, I guess. That's a shame. Yes, guys, I think I'm gonna play this game in shorter videos, I think. Maybe 2 days of video. I think that'll work. If it's too short, I'll just edit them together. Yeah, I think 2 videos, 2 days should work for a video. Mushroom. Those trees just moved. I don't think trees should do that. Yeah, I don't think that's how trees should work. I don't think trees just move. Bad badger. Bad. It's a badger. Can't fly there, bud? Aw, you hurt? Can I talk to it? Can I touch it? Why are you scared? I chased away the badger for you. Come on. You tired or are you thirsty? Oh, he's getting water. Can I poke the birdie? Guess not. Really, badger? Come on. No! No, birdie! Don't die! Smart bird. Good idea. What, does your bag feel heavy or something? Oh, the bird's afraid of me. Yeah, the bird's afraid of me, and it climbed up my bag. Good idea, bird. What happened to the mushroom? Oh, clever. You little... Oh, okay, I see how it is. You don't let me go back, huh? Silly trees. What? Okay. These are odd trees, eh? They move. Are you on something there, dude, or something? Are you doing something at all that you shouldn't? Because everything's being weird. The left side's green, the right side's pink, and why is there no one at the veterinarian? Oh. Nice green. Anything in the mailbox? Oh, you can see the bird poking through. Aw, you little beak patient out. Oh, cute. Hey, little birdie. Oh, you're a cute little birdie. Are pets allowed in this building? Are pets allowed? Or, no. If they aren't allowed, I think we're gonna have a problem here, bird. Of course there aren't pets allowed. Of course there are no pets allowed. You laser vision. Woo. Laser vision. How do you know what floor I'm on? Where's the guy gonna step by? Yep, nice little side step just to already get out of the way. We still have bad lights in here. Guess not. Really? Yeah, just back into the wall and just whistle. Be less conspicuous if you just kept walking. Seriously. Wouldn't you be less conspicuous if you kept walking? Woo! Just sort of slide in. Slide on in. What's wrong with the lights? Seriously, come on. Another note from Mom. Probably. Can I go into Mom's? Can I go into branch room again? Anything new? Guess not. Oh, you're not gonna hop in the bed this time? Oh, that's a shame. Oh, it's sad that you actually have a pile of notes from your mother. That gets sad, though. That gets... I feel bad for her, though. I feel bad for him out there. That he just has a pile of notes. Hey, little birdie. Gonna go chase it? Come on, let's go get the birdie. Hey, birdie. Hi. Alright, so the bird needs water. Where do we find the water? Really, there's no sink in the kitchen? Okay. the bird. Seems simple enough, no way. Alright guys, we need to pick a name for this guy. I think Joseph suits him. He looks like a Joseph to me. You guys say down in the comments what you guys think, but I think I'm gonna stick with Joseph. Now it eats bread. Can you give me your muffin? Can you just give him the Zelda muffin? Or something? Who keeps bread in their fridge? It's cold bread. Come on. It's like a bread cabinet or something. Wait. Bird? Birdie. Wait, the tree. Called it. That's what he was looking. That's what he was looking in the tree, I guess. Because I guess this is a memory. Big. Nice try. Apparently, you don't like people, does he? No. Him breaking the bread apart, I guess. Hey, it's midnight. God. What? Oh. He used to be with his friends. Oh. I don't think this bird can fly, can it? Pretty sure it's injured, right? Oh, you got abandoned. Everything got abandoned. He must be hurt. Cause just look how he's flapping his arm. Wing, not arm. Oh, poor birdie. Daytime. Morning, birdie. So now you just have a pet bird or something? What are you doing? What? That's not how it works. Aww. Alright guys, I think this is where I'm going to leave it here. We already did 2 days. So, I think this is where we're going to end here, and we're going to do 2 episodes. I know we're fine, and we'll be seeing Jules again later. Alright, that'll be it for today.